Murimu wa COVID-19 ugithi na mbere gutamba icigo-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini, ministri ya ugima wa mwiri niyorotete kara kuri andu aria makoretwo makiagarara mawatho maria igathikite ma kuhurana murimu uyu, ikiuga ino ni mbara yagirirwo kunyitwo mbaru ni andu othe, amuri gutiri mundu utari ugwati-ini wa kugwatwo ni murimu makiria riri ukinyite kaunti-ini ciothe 47.
Inaitwa sanitizer ni mzuri sana kama wewe hakuna maji.
Ministri ino igitariria ciige mendekithia maya gathikite ni itaririe na njira hinyu bata wa gwithamba moko ukirumira makinya mothe maria maheanitwo ta kwagarara na rimwe, tondu mundu athambia moko atakurumira makinya maya hatire ngurani yake na mundu uria utethambite moko.
When washing our hands, we should remember to observe the following. 1. Regularly wash hands with soap and water, or use a not 0.05% chlorine solution or approved disinfectant in order to avoid infection. 2. The appropriate technique of scrubbing our hands and the minimum time taken of at least 20 seconds to clean hands with soap and water is very important.
Kumana na kuongereka kwa namba ya atungata arwaru aria makoretwo makigwata murimu wa COVID-19, ministri ino riu niyuritie andu othe aria makoretwo magitungatira arwaru a murimu uyu marumirire mitaratara itano iria ruhonge rwa WHO ruheanite niguo kugitira atungata arwaru kumana na kugwata murimu uyu riria mari mawira-ini mao.
Our healthcare workers should religiously follow the World Health Organization's infection prevention and control slogan of My 5 moments for hand hygiene, and practice it. These 5 moments are: before touching a patient, before clean or aseptic procedures, after body fluid exposure or risk, after touching a patient, and after touching patient surroundings.
Ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24 kuma kuri ithimi 3,150 namba ya arwaru eru ni andu 245 na gucungira namba ya arwaru guku bururi-ini gukinya andu 3,365.
And our number of total tests that we have conducted to 394,566. From the 237 Kenyans that are positive today, 8 are foreigners. 145 are males and 100 are females. The youngest is an 8-month-old infant and the oldest is 79 years old.
Namba ya arwaru igithi na mbere kuongereka o namba ya aria mahonete murimu ni abatirite, amu andu angi 508 ni mahonete na hari namba ino andu 461 marerikana mahonire murimu wa micini na 43 makahonera thibitari-ini, guku na andu angi 8 magikua na riu namba ya aria othe makuite ni andu 482. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.